morning, while checking on a closed-circuit television camera in your office, you saw two students fighting during recess. One teacher was trying to break up the fight and almost got injured along the process. When investigated, you were informed that there were several bullying cases reported to the peace coordinator of the school involving different grade levels. So the principal talked and
Then
in the principal called the attention of the two students, including the teacher who helped them keep, and also the peace and coordinator. Then after that, they settled the two students, calling their parents and settled. They agreed and signed the agreement between the two students who keep fighting, and also call the attention of the bullying cases students together with their parents to have arrangement. Then after that, the principal create a committee in terms of anti-bullying team in order to solve the cases and to listen. Then they create the campaign about anti-bullying